Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Dimpy and today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you guys. So I don't know if you noticed, but I'm obviously wearing the same top that I'm wearing in my last video, and that is because I filmed both of those videos on the very same day. So there is some honesty there. But like I said, today I want to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is a piece, the kind of piece that I have never owned in my collection. And I guess what I'm trying to say is I've never had anything like this in my collection. So this is going to be one of a kind unboxing. And just to kind of give you guys like a backstory a little bit, I got this one when I got my Speedy B25. So I got my Speedy B25, that's this bag right here. I have it right here with me. So I got this bag at the store and it seems like my hair is stuck on the strap. Does that ever happen to you guys? But yeah, basically I got this bag at the store. I picked it up at the store and I did do an unboxing of this on my channel. So if you're interested in that, check out the description box down below and I'll actually leave it in the cards up here as well. But basically I got this bag and I got this item just for this bag, but they didn't have it at the store, so my SA ended up ordering for me and this came in like a week after, but it's just been sitting with me. I didn't have a chance to film this video and I finally told myself that I'm just gonna take the time out and film this video and start using this item. So without further ado, let me just show you what I have in here. So here is the packaging. It's upside down, but that's what it looks like. It says Louis Vuitton. And then here is the item. So it's a very small item, as you can tell. But here is the box, and I'll quickly and carefully remove the ribbon. I hate undoing the ribbon. I just love it so much like this. So here is the item. Pretty. Okay, so it's a tiny dust bag and the item is very tiny too. So behold, as I reveal to you guys, my one and only Louis charm. So there is the charm, you guys. So like I mentioned earlier, I ordered this one just to go on my Speedy, just like this over here in the front. And yeah, so I always wanted to get this charm, but I thought I would get it when I get my Speedy. And I got my Speedy, so I obviously got the charm as well. And it's the first time I've ever seen a tag with a Louis Vuitton item. So I'll show you the tag. Here is the tag. Oh my gosh, it keeps flipping. Sorry guys. So here is the tag right over here. And this item is called LV Facets Charm. Yes, I'll leave a name of it up here on the screen. But basically this is the charm and I'm so glad they gave me a brand new piece because like the plastics are still attached to it, so I really love it. I think that was the only thing I was concerned about because this item did come from another store, and sometimes at the store they have items that are returned or not used per se, but sometimes returned, and which also means that they don't have plastics on it. So yeah, I'm just happy that they have plastic on it and I'm so excited. So I'll just undo the plastic and I'll put the charm on the bag so that we can all see how it looks. God, I'm always trying to be so careful with the new items and just any items in general. But there it is. So there is the very first plastic off. You can see nice and shiny LV. Next is the top plastic. All right, so we have that one off too. So now the charm is totally naked without any plastics, but there is the charm, and I'll remove this tag a little bit later, but right now I would just want to show you what it looks like on the Speedy. So here's the Speedy, And I'm gonna put the charm on it so you guys can see what it looks like. So here is the charm. I think it looks so pretty. What do you guys think? Oh, it's very nice. I really like it. I really do like how it looks on the bag. And one of the things I'm surprised about is that the charm is not, it's very substantial. It's not that light. I thought it was going to be like a very light and flimsy, but it's not. It's got a substantial weight to it. And I really like it. I love how shiny it is. And I think it looks amazing on this bag. It's a nice and shiny gold hardware, very, very pretty. I think I'll be able to use this charm on my Alma BB as well. So very excited. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for always tuning in, always supporting me. Please do like this video. Also subscribe down below. I would very much appreciate it. I'll see you guys now in my next video very, very soon. I honestly cannot wait. And do follow me on Instagram. I post lots and lots of pictures, reels, handbag reels, all the fun stuff. I post a lot on my stories as well. So definitely follow me there. Say hi. I love connecting with you guys. So message me there. But yeah, that really does it for today's video. I'll see you guys now in my next video very, very soon. Till then, take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.